Gujarat, situated in the western part of the country, I am a prosperous state. Many also know me as Gurjar Desh. Since the evolution of Earth till date, numerous eminent personalities have taken birth to enlighten the world, illustrating the path to lead life more successfully, to cross new landmarks and to surpass great heights through sheer self-belief. Today, when I look back at my past, and the first thing that strikes me instantly is an imperative principle. One lifelike motto which was nurtured in my lap and made millions of people not only proud and independent, but also prosperous. This pride-giving motto is the fundament to collaborate. This is the principle of cooperation. Cooperation, a noble feeling which empowers everyone to get together and work for everyone's progress. When no one is alone, no one is lonely. All for each and each for all. Money is vital for any progressive society like arteries. If it flows continuously, only then any society can make speedy development. In Gujarat, this accessibility has been made possible through the cooperative banks here.
If Gujarat is number one today, then you will have to consider that cooperative sector has played a vital role in becoming number one. It is because of the cooperative sector that Gujarat has become number one, Gujarat has become vibrant.
In the year 1889, in Vadodara, to fulfill the monetary requirement of the lower and middle class people of the city, Anyonya Sahayakari Mandali was established. This was an auspicious opening in my lap of the cooperative movement. The formal Cooperative Act came in 1904, but 15 years prior to it, on my land, the footsteps of the cooperative movement had already begun. More than a century long, this journey of cooperativeness has today reached new heights. And in that, the cooperative banks have positioned themselves on the top. Understanding common man's basic needs and making him economically independent, cooperative banks have contributed enormously towards it. I still remember those days when even for a penny or two one had to rely on money lenders or sahukars. For that small amount, the vicious circle of heavy interest would crush the common man. If anyone has been able to pull them out of this cruel cycle, they are the cooperative banks. A bank located just around the corner, whose motto is not profit but is service. And in that, if it does make any profit, it is equally distributed among its members. This cooperative bank is for the common man, for the ordinary man, a bank for one and all.
Cooperative bank, apni potani bank.
Cooperative bank, apni potani bank.
This century-old cooperative movement started gushing forward in every section of the society, wherein cooperative banks became a stepping stone for success. Be it a small rice grocer or a big colour merchant association, be it women's self-help group or labourers' small-scale cooperative society in town, everyone got together with the noble intention of cooperativeness to help each other and establish a cooperative bank. Today, Gujarat has approximately 300 urban cooperative banks working from strength to strength to serve the common man round the clock.
When common man requires funds to start his own business or own industry, their own cooperative bank created by themselves, they will give for initial capital for the common man.
एक कैपिटलिज्म है और एक कम्युनिज्म है, उसके बीच में से तीसरी दिशा दिखाने वाला ये कोऑपरेटिविज्म, सहकारिता का अभियान, मैं इसको रोल मॉडल इसलिए मानता हूं कि ये दुनिया में तीसरा ध्रुव स्थापित करने की ताकत रखता है.
Innumerable potential entrepreneurs with support from these cooperative banks, have risen as big businessmen. Compared to the strict conditions laid down by the government or the private banks, unending warmth and friendly support has been the facade of the cooperative banks, thus gifting small towns with plentiful big industrialists.
When private or foreign bank comes, they come with the intention to exploit money, to have greatest profit from the society. And when cooperative bank comes, it is the people's own bank, it is the bank of poorest of the poor, it is the bank of middle class, it is the bank of common men. So their intention is not to earn profit but to serve the common man.
Proudly cooperative. Proudly cooperative. Proudly cooperative.
Foundation and progress of Gandhidham city is due to the nobility of cooperative banks. Penniless fellow citizens who came here without any funds came together, established a cooperative bank and displayed tremendous progress.
ગાંધીધામ કોઓપરેટિવ બેંકનો ઇતિહાસ જે છે એ જાણવા જેવો છે. દેશના ભાગલા પડ્યા ત્યારે સિંધી સમાજ જે છે હિન્દુસ્તાનમાં આવ્યો ત્યારે અમારા એક નેતા ભાઈ પ્રતાપ દિયાલદાસ કચ્છની અંદર જે છે સિંધીઓને વસાવવો જોઈએ એ અહીંયા આવ્યા, કચ્છના મહારાઓને મળ્યા. કચ્છના મહારાઓએ એમને જે છે એ જમીન આપી, પણ એ જમીન એવી હતી કે સંપૂર્ણ જંગલ હતું. એ જંગલમાંથી મંગલ વસાવવા માટે પહેલા તો ત્યાં વિછું અને સાપ પકડવા માટે પણ પૈસા આપવા પડ્યા.
In 1948, one visionary, Mr. Bhai Pratap Diyaldas, has started their own cooperative bank. These refugees have created their cooperative bank. They contributed 1 anna, 2 anna, 50 paisa, and you will see, if Gandhidham is prosperous, then foundation lies with the cooperative sector.
आगे बढ़े बढ़ते चले झूले आसमां झूले आसमां एक साथ अनेक हाथ मिलकर करे साकार मिलकर करे साकार मिलकर करे साकार.
Through cooperation, my children have not only progressed in banking but also in other fields. Just imagine what would be the situation if there were no agricultural produce market committee in every town. Could the son of the soil get the fair price for his produce? Unjha's APMC has bagged the honor of being the biggest commodity market in Asia only due to the cooperative effort. Every taluka has its own milk cooperative society, which too has a great history behind it. Today, lakhs of people have adopted animal husbandry as a full-fledged profession and have prospered. Kheda district in Gujarat has become exemplary in this field and has put me on pedestal of the world map. Thousands of women of this district have cooperated unanimously and brought smiles along with fortunes.
घर बार आवे खुशियों की फुहार 12 महीने है त्योहार सुनो सुनो रे
Amul, the taste of India.
Apart from this, by achieving great success through fertilizer cooperatives, farmers have proved to the world that with the help of cooperation, any height can be surpassed. Come, let me take you to Bangladesh. Here, a person of exceptional qualities received for his cooperativeness world's greatest honor, the Nobel Prize. Muhammad Yunus, the man who connected lakhs of rural women with small cooperative savings units, thus making them financially independent. I am proud of the fact that for the healthy progress of the urban cooperative banks and to resolve their issues, for the first time in the country, Urban Cooperative Banks Federation was established in the state of Gujarat. Taking a leaf from this book, many other states have also established such federations. Sometime back in a high-scale program named Sahkar Setu, eminent persons of the cooperative sector throughout the nation got together and chanted one mantra. With one voice, they echoed one motto, proudly cooperative.
Proudly cooperative. Proudly cooperative. Proudly cooperative. Proudly cooperative.
कोऑपरेटिव बैंकिंग सेक्टर को पीछे नहीं रहना है, सबके साथ कॉम्पीट करेंगे हम। प्राइवेट बैंक को आना है तो आ जाए, पीएसयू बैंक को आना है, नॉन बैंकिंग फाइनेंस कंपनीज को आना है, जिसको भी आना है आ जाए, हम भी मैदान में खड़े हैं।
So very clearly the urban cooperative banks have perceived the fact that there is huge competition entering into this area, and how do the urban cooperative banks in the country, and more particularly in Gujarat, handle themselves and prepare themselves to meet these competitive challenges where we are proudly cooperative.
Proudly cooperative. Proudly cooperative. Proudly cooperative. Proudly cooperative.
The prosperous tradition of cooperation has been propelled forward with splendor by cooperative banks. In recent times, a little spasm affected this sector, and it did shake hopes and faith of the people. But soon recovering from this little jolt, the 300-odd urban cooperative banks displayed even more self-confidence and efficiency and won back the trust of the common man. The bit-by-bit increasing deposits act as a proof of the faith among people. Try and compare that with which bank's dealings you get a sense of belonging. Can a government or a private bank give you a kin-like support? Can you weave the relationship of love and experience, the feeling of affection with them? Apart from that, also compare the banking services. The services that you get in these cooperative banks at no rates or practically negligible rates, the same are provided in the private banks at sky-high rates. If you look beyond the attractive exterior of the advertisements, the hidden costs will come forth and you will notice the glaring difference.
Always they are aggressive to give the better service to the customers.
Today, the urban cooperative banks have become more professional and efficient to provide the most advanced banking facilities to the customers. Keeping pace with the developing world and by adopting customer-oriented services, they provide the common man with a unique banking experience.
हमको प्रिपेयर करना है अपने आप को टेक्नोलॉजी से। अगर हम 300 बैंक, गुजरात की 300 बैंक, राजस्थान की 42 बैंक और पूरे भारत की 1200 बैंक, सब अगर साथ में मिलके एक कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग अम्ब्रेला में अगर हम इकट्ठे हो सकते हैं तो हमारी शक्ति बहुत बड़ी हो जा सकती है। हम अगर 1200 बैंक अगर एक कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग अम्ब्रेला में ला सकते हैं तो हम लोग स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया और बैंक ऑफ इंडिया तक की हमारी शक्ति बन सकती है।
In my lab, there are many cities dwelling where almost 75% of the people have taken the support of cooperative banks to build their houses. Of the many local small-scale and large-scale businesses and industries, most of them must have, at one time or the other, taken aid from a cooperative bank. This is the success of cooperation, success of urban cooperative banks. Besides fulfilling people's dreams of owning a house or other needs like vehicle loans, educational loans for higher education at low interest rates, different types of credits to businesses and industries, and microfinance to women for self-employment purposes, cooperative banks have contributed immensely at all levels towards an all-round development of the society.
આજથી જ્યારે 3 વર્ષ પહેલા જ્યારે ગુજરાતમાં ફ્લડ આવેલું એવા સમયે મને બેંક તરફથી સહાયતા મળી અને એ સહાયતા મળ્યા બાદ મારો જે લોસ ગયેલો અને એમાં ઘણું બધું મારું ફેબ્રિકનું નુકસાન ગયું હતું અને બેંક તરફથી સહાયતા મળી એટલે હું ફરી પછી ઊભી થઈ શકી.
Lending a helping hand to people during their hard times is another inspirational quality of cooperative banks. As part of its social responsibility, cooperative banks have provided donations and aid in various areas.
અર્બન કોઓપરેટિવ બેન્કો જે કામ કરી રહેલી છે, લોકોની પાસેથી ડિપોઝિટ ઉઘરાવે છે અને લોકોમાં જ એનું ધિરાણ કરે છે અને એ ધિરાણ કર્યા પછી જે કે બી એ નફો થાય છે એ નફો સરકારની જે મર્યાદા જે છે એ મર્યાદામાં રહીને મેક્સિમમ 15% સુધી સભાસદોને ડિવિડન્ડ આપે છે. બાકી રહેલો જે નફો છે તે એ પોતાના થોડાક રિઝર્વમાં લઈ જાય છે અને જે શહેરની છે, ગામડાની છે, જે સામાજિક સંસ્થાઓ છે જેવી કે હોસ્પિટલ છે, સ્કૂલ છે, કોલેજીસ છે કે ગામડાની અંદર કોઈ પણ જગ્યાએ પંચાયતનું હોય કે એનો કે આઇલેન્ડ બનાવવા હોય કે કોઈ સ્ટેચ્યુ બનાવવું હોય તો એને માટે આ અર્બન કોઓપરેટિવ બેન્કો પોતાના ફંડમાંથી દાન રૂપે આપે છે.
Cooperative Bank is your very own bank. Cooperative Bank is a symbol of your trust and faith. In order to keep the trust intact, the devoted board of directors representing different sections of the society and the dedicated employees submit themselves to provide you the best quality services. Your small savings or deposits in cooperative banks grow multifold into a giant money-laden tree whose fruits are reaped by the entire society. A person sitting at the fringe of the economy is also able to reap its benefits. Come, let us cherish this capital of invaluable relationships with the bond of faith and care and take this glorious tradition of cooperation forward. Everyone's cooperation, everyone's progress. Urban Cooperative Bank spreads the light for generations.
एक नाम अटूट विश्वास,
एक नाम अटूट विश्वास,
हर कदम कदम कदम
छे सौना साथ.
Proudly cooperative, proudly cooperative, proudly cooperative.